make some veg sandwich and some Monaco Snaki. First, I'll tell you what I have. I've got some bread, tomatoes and cucumber. We'll make some veg sandwich, and after the veg sandwich, we'll make some Monaco Snakis. Okay, first we have to sanitize our hands. Now we'll make some veg sandwich. For that we need some 2 cucumbers. Now 2 tomatoes. Now put some honey on them. And now put another bread in the one bread. Your veg sandwich is ready. Now we'll make some more Monaco Snakis. We have to put some cucumber in the one Monaco Snaki, and in the top we have to put tomato. Okay, now put some masala on it. So, ta-da! Your veg sandwich and Monaco Snakis are ready. Till next time with more dishes. Until I come here, we have to